Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna learn how to make clear stickers. Clear stickers are shiny, clear, and you can just make them in 10 to 15 minutes. They can be used to decorate jars, they can be given as gifts, and many things too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, then please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, and click tap that subscribe button, that would be so great. And now without any further ado, let's get started. To make these clear stickers, you're going to need some images which are printed through LaserJet and not inkjet. Then you're going to need scissors, clear packaging tape, and some water. Start by sticking clear tape on your images. Then you're going to remove the air bubbles using your fingernails or a ruler. Once you have removed the air bubbles, your stickers should look something like this. Then you can start by cutting them out. Once you have cut them out, you can start by putting them into water. Let them sit in there for about 5 minutes. After that, you can start by rubbing the paper off from the tape. After rubbing them, you can stick them wherever you want. Make sure you stick them when they are wet. Once they are dry, your clear stickers are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!